Hello dear students, welcome back to another video. So in this video we are going to discuss about the types of numbers. Okay, until 5th standard we have learned about different types of numbers like odd number, even number, prime number, co-prime number and all. Okay, but from 6th standard onwards, from 6th to 12th or 6th to your engineering studies, you must be aware of these types of numbers. So we have selected say 7 types of numbers which are considered as very important types of numbers. Okay, the first one is natural number. So natural number is represented with a symbol called capital N. Okay, so another name of this natural number is what? Counting numbers, because we use these kind of numbers for a simple counting, just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. So this value is extended up to positive infinity. Okay, so natural number starts from 1 and its end with what? Positive infinity. So main use is what? For counting and ordering. And the second one is our whole number and it is represented with capital letter W. So whole number basically is like what? S0 and along with it natural numbers. Okay, so from 0 to infinity is our whole number. 0 to positive infinity is our whole number. So they are used for representing quantities. Okay, we will be discussing all these things in another video. So now third one, it is integers. So we are representing the integers with the capital letter Z. Okay, so this include the negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. In other words, we can say what? The negative numbers and whole numbers, or we can say the negative numbers, 0 and the counting numbers. In different ways you can represent it. Okay, so where do we use this kind of integers? These kind of integers are used for representing quantities and directions. Okay, then fourth one is a rational number. So we will be representing the rational numbers with a capital letter Q. Okay, so rational number can be fraction. The rational number can be decimals. Okay, the condition while writing fraction is what? The denominator should not be 0. That is a basic condition. We have few other conditions as well that we will be discussing in another video. And regarding the decimals can be a terminating decimal or it can be a repeating decimal. So the terminating decimal and the repeating decimals come under rational numbers. And the fifth category is irrational numbers. So irrational numbers are numbers which cannot be represented like a fraction of two integers. Okay. Also the constant values are coming under this one. Many of the square root values. Okay. Square root values, like if they are not perfect, if we cannot find a perfect square root for them, they all come under category of irrational numbers. So examples are like pi. Okay, so then square root values, also some kind of decimal values which are like what? It should be non-terminating decimal and non-repeating decimal. So non-repeating, non-terminating decimal come under category of irrational numbers. And the sixth category is real numbers. So all the numbers which we have discussed until now come under with they come under real numbers. Okay, so seventh one is complex number. So this kind of complex number you will be studying more in your +1 or in +2. So just for information, we are telling that complex number is a kind of number. They have a real part and imaginary part. So that's all for in this video. So learn all these kind of numbers before your exam. Also share this video to your friends. So we'll bring you another brand new video. See you in another video.